All right, this is gonna be the first start. Hey Corey, could you hold the camera? Here we go.
Hold up.
I have to put a little more gas in the carburetor to get it going.
No, you're leaking something. You got a hose here.
Oh, it's leaking right here out of the fuel pump. All right, I got.
Oh, I'm sitting there staring at it with a cigarette in my mouth.
All right, you can shut that off for now. All right, we're about to start this truck again. I got a brand new fuel pump on it, and let me turn this. I put a screwdriver up in the top of the choke to hold the choke open because I don't have the choke hooked up yet or the throttle. And I got brand new fuel pump up there. Just a second, bro. And I got all the wires up out of the way of the exhaust. Hopefully it's not too blurry or anything. I dumped a whole bunch of oil everywhere just a little bit ago. Covered the entire top of my transmission and engine because I forgot to hook up the oil pressure thing, and it shot it straight up in the air. Like down everywhere. I got it all over the side of the car, all over the windshield, all over the top of the transmission, the ground, all from that tiny little sensor trying to start it. But I got it all up there now, and we're about to start it and see what happens. So here goes. Oh, squeaky car. Timing's off a little bit. I'm definitely gonna have to definitely gonna have to get the timing reset and get all this oil power washed off, and I can start hooking other stuff up. I got the harmonic balancer put back on with the pulley. I got the water pump pulley put on. Still got oil dripping everywhere from earlier. It just shot everywhere, and I didn't realize that it was leaking until I seen it shoot straight up into the sky and come down in the windshield because I was standing over by the front of the car. So I probably lost a good quart of oil, but I threw up that gauge and plugged it in so that it wouldn't leak the oil there anymore. Now I got to get all the oil cleaned up and make sure it's not leaking anywhere else. It shouldn't be though. Everything seemed pretty good, blowing flames. I got no exhaust on it right now, no headers of any kind. That was straight out of the heads. But it seems to work, so no complaints here. I'll keep you guys informed, let you know what's going on, and we'll go from here.